Hey guys, so today it's a thunderstorm. Yesterday I actually did a recipe from my good friend Tommy over at the Gallery Backyard BBQ. So we're gonna make that up, and it's red wine vinegar, ribeye steak, all on the Blackstone. So stay tuned, and I'll leave his link down below and up above.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Pickles Barbecue. So what we're doing today is a couple of ribeyes. So we're doing 3 ribeyes, and I'm following Tommy's recipe from the Gallery Backyard BBQ. So we're just gonna season these up with a little bit of cracked Himalayan salt. He loves that stuff. I do too. And then a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. And that's all we're doing. We're gonna season it on all sides, and then throw it on the Blackstone. We'll let it rest for a little while. Hey y'all, welcome back. So there's our sides. We're doing baked potatoes and green beans. And then I've chopped up a little less than a pound of mushrooms. Just plain old button mushrooms. We're gonna go ahead and add some oil to the Blackstone. Drop in some onion, and that's an onion I actually smoked with the leftover coals from a smoke I did with hickory. So those are really good. Add about a teaspoon of garlic. Mix that up. Let it sit for about 4 or 5 minutes. Went ahead and added the mushrooms. A little bit of salt and pepper. You want a salt and pepper that's all kind of the way through. And then added some butter as well. Covered it up. We're gonna steam it, set it aside, and get started with the rest of the cook. A little bit more olive oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and spread that around, and I'll let the rest speak for itself. You can hear the sizzle. So we're gonna throw in our ribeyes. What we're looking for is about 125 internal temperature. So about 4 minutes on each side. Once again, I'm going to salt and pepper those on both sides. Hey guys, so I did put the mushrooms on one side, and I covered the steaks for a little bit. So you do want to cover your steaks. And what we're looking for is about medium rare. So I'm looking for 125 to 130. So I'm taking temperature now. And you can hear the dogs in the background too, as well as the sizzle. And we're looking pretty close. We're gonna go ahead and add some red wine vinegar to our mushrooms. Once again, I added a bit of salt and pepper on the mushrooms. What I'm doing here is adding a little bit of chicken broth and Worcestershire sauce. I didn't have beef broth. I find Worcestershire sauce works real well with that. So about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce to quarter to half cup of broth. Go ahead and add beef broth if you have it. But all we're doing right now is cooking down the sauce. And you want to add it bit by bit, let it cook down. Find you'll have hot spots in the grill as well. Looking good so far. And that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. You just kind of corral them all together. So we're making our sauce right now. I'm going to go ahead and add about a quarter cup of red wine. Not a whole heck of a lot. I just stir it in. And we'll make sure it all melds together with the mushrooms. Boy, I'll tell you, those mushrooms are real good, and that sauce is fantastic. Just want to kind of corral it back gonna go ahead and add some of the extra Worcestershire and broth we had. I'm gonna take there's the rest of the chicken broth. Take the rest of it off and serve it up.